In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best PlayStation 4 discount codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for PlayStation 4 discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called Voucher. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some discounts and promo codes that we can use to get some discounts on the PlayStation website. So all you need to do is just, for example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount right here, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says get discount. And for this one, there is no voucher required. So all you need to do is just tap right here where it says go to PlayStation Store, and you'll be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Simply Codes. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with 20% discount, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says get code. And now I'm just going to wait for the page to load up right here. And this is the promo code. As you can see, all you need to do is tap on this button where it says copy code. And you can copy this promo code and use it on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is pretty much it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.